So our job for today is to load one sales text file into the sales table. I'm currently logged in as user Thomas and I'm in the PWD in the sales directory. In this sales directory you find the data directory as well as the source directory. We first of all create a log directory. So we have 3 directories in here. The data directory, in the data directory you found all your sales point text files. So simple copy one sales 2015 11 18 point text file to a sales point a text file. The file we would like to use is always the sales point text file. Good. Let's jump back to the cd source directory, cd source directory, clear. In the source directory we have our PL/SQL as well as the SQL statement. We would like to use the SQL loader and therefore we have to define a sales point LDR script. In this script we have to define that we would like to load data. The name of the file we would like to use, we are in the source directory, so we have to use a dot data sales point text file. The bad file we would like to print out all wrong lines is in the point log sales point bad file. That this card file lines that we didn't load because of our when clause, we don't use that. It's in the point log sales point DSC file. We'd like to use the append mode to append all data, so we are not going to first of all delete everything, and into table sales fields terminated by single quote \t for a tabulator. So we have a tab separated file. You want to use a comma separated file, feel free, and object and close by a double quote, just one of it. As we would like to load the data in a table, Oracle has implicit the so-called data dictionary. The data dictionary is therefore that Oracle is able to read out the table structure. On the other hand, we have a text file and there we have to define our table structure. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my create table statement, not to type everything in here. Good, copy, jump back here, paste it, and remove this one. So this is my table structure or my structure of the text file. Good, commas in here. Last line of course not, and the only thing here is we have a date in here. For the date we have to define the format. Date, double quote, year, month, day. And save it. Now we can simply do a SQL loader, username Thomas, password Oracle, the control is a sales.ldr file, log equals to a /log sales.log, and I can deal with errors equal to 50. Start the SQL loader, and here you have a native loading of your data. Double check this one in your sales table. Select count star from sales, run it, and here you get the lines out of it. Good. Double check here, clear ls cd ... cd log directory. In the log directory we have the sales bad file and the sales log file. vi sales bad file. In the bad file we have the wrong lines. Good. And in the log we have the errors I have done here, when the loading process began, when it was ended, how much time it was elapsed, and how much CPU time was used.